guys, this is lesson 4 for loops. So what is a for loop? A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence. With for loops, you can execute a set of statements once for each item. So first, let's create a list. So let me put colors equals, now let's bracket, and inside let's write the colors: red, space, orange, space, green. So that's enough for a list. So now we can write the for loop. For the for loop, we can write for I in colors. That means it's going to use the variable. Now we have to put a colon. So I over there is a variable. You can choose anything over there. So I just chose I. So now let's click enter. This indentation over there, that means it's part of this statement or the for loop. So now let's write what is the statement under the for loop. So now let's write print I. So now if we execute it, the colors, what is in the brackets, will get printed. See over there. So now let me show you another way. Put, instead of colors, you put range, and you put parentheses, and if you put a number inside, like let's put 3, and you run it, see, it prints only 1 to 3. 0 to 2, because 0, 1, 2, those are 3 numbers from beginning. And the computer always counts 0 also as a number. So every time you do like this, it will print 0 to 2. And if you put 8 over there, let me change it and show you. So if you put 8, now it will print 0 to 7. 0 means basically one number, so it skips 8 over there. So 0 to 8 is basically 0 to 7 because there's no 8. Let me show you another way, guys. So you can just do this. So you can do for I in range, and we can put how many times we want to print. So I want to print it 5 times. Now we have to put a colon, and then we have to enter. Now we can print something. So print, what should we print? So we can just print anything in quotes. So I'm just going to write print hi. So now if we run it, it's going to print hi 5 times. Let me show you. See, it printed hi 5 times. You can see once, second time, third time, 4th time, 5th time. So it printed 5 times. If you want it to print 10 times, you can just change the number in the parentheses. So now it will print 10 times. See, it printed 10 times now. See, so these were the for loops. Okay guys, this is the end of the session of lesson 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.